Alright, so let's do LeetCode 226, which is invert binary tree. So basically what it's asking here is you have to invert the binary tree, which means the left node should be on the right and the right node should be on the left. So you can see here our right node is now on the left, and that is the case for every single level. Basically, if you have to think about it, just think about putting a mirror in between the two trees, and that's what it will look like. So what is the logic here? The logic here is for every level we have to switch root dot left and root dot right. Right, so we can do that very simply. Right, so we're taking the left node and assigning it the right node, and we're taking the right node and assigning the left node to it. Another way we can do this is with the help of a temp variable. So let's say root.left equals temp, then root.left equals root.right, and then root.right is equal to temp. So these two are the same exact things, but we'll just use this because it's cleaner. And now let's see, what do we have to return? So we have to return the tree node. So return root. And a good way that we can do this is through a recursive call. So recursively for each level, it will take root.left and root.right and switch the values. So let's write the recursive call, self.invert tree, and we have to do it for each subtree. So root.left and root.right. And now let's write the base case. So right now, without the base case, this will run forever and it will be infinite. So we have to tell the function when to stop. So when can we stop? If we go past a leaf node. So when there is no root or no node left to traverse. So quite simply, if not root, return that. Let's see if this works. Yep, perfect. So the time complexity for this is log n, because we are recursively calling our own function, and it's a O of 1 space complexity because we are not using any data structure like an array or list or stack to store this data. We are simply just taking root.left and root.right, and those are the only variables we are using.